Let's talk hyperpigmentation, otherwise known as dark spots. Now, before I get into some remedies on how to help with dark spots, I want to first encourage you that you are 100% beautiful with or without dark spots. And if you don't quite believe that yet, I encourage you to look in the mirror and just consider a new truth. I think sometimes that's all we need in order to see ourselves in a different light. Consider that you are beautiful because of the uniqueness of your skin's coloration, not even discoloration, just the coloration of your skin, that it's beautiful just the way it is. Okay, so what is hyperpigmentation? It starts with melanocytes. Melanocytes are pigment producing cells, and when they're unhealthy or damaged or overworked, they can produce excess pigmentation. The most common cause is sun damage, but some other things can cause it as well, like harsh scrubs, popping pimples, genetics, improper hair removal, and pregnancy. Some remedies to avoid: retinol, retinoid, chemical peels, hydroquinone. All of these things are common to treat dark spots, but they all have one thing in common: they weaken the skin. They can thin skin, increase its sensitivity to light, cause irritation, dryness, in some cases even worse, inhibit fetal development in pregnancies, or cause heart, liver, kidney damage. Here's what I will recommend. Products that are rich in naturally occurring vitamin C inhibits the enzymatic process without lightening normal skin, so it specifically targets pigmentation. Our repairing facial serum is an excellent example of this. The other thing I'll recommend is a toner that brightens and evens skin tone, like our Rosemary Toner. So two other things that I recommend is to use a mineral-based sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun, and to use an exfoliant that helps increase cell turnover so that your skin can have a more even tone.